Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about barbecue sauce. Ooh. Okay, enough of the funny stuff, but barbecue sauce, there's some things like we get so tired of the flavor of them so we need to add barbecue sauce to it. Example of that is chicken nuggets, just regular pork chops, no matter how other type seasoning on it. Sometimes we just need to put some barbecue sauce on it afterwards before we can eat it. Now, one of the things I want to mention to you is read the ingredients on the barbecue sauces. There is one that has a whole bunch of varieties out there, and it's sweet like a ray of sunshine. Okay. One of the main ingredients, high fructose corn syrup, something you want to avoid. So make sure you read the ingredients on whatever flavors you find, and you can do it. Now, that same company has a different one. It doesn't have the word sweet in its title. It's just Ray's sugar-free. And it is. There's no sugar or high fructose corn syrup in it. So that's another one to look at. Look for the ones that say sugar-free and they don't add the saccharin or whatever the other crap is they add in stuff for artificial sweeteners. There are plenty of plants out there that sweeten enough without being actual sugar and actually adding those other chemicals to it as well. So, as always, stay safe, stay happy, keep adding to your preps, water, food, medicines, skills. And before I take off, I want to give you a video to look at. So I'll put the link up right here to a video you should enjoy. I'll put a playlist down here. I'll put another video over here, and I'll put the link to Camp Patton Family Compound, my gardening channel, up here. See you around.